What is up? Joel here, and we're about to make a Cacio e Pepe rack of lamb. First and foremost, we have a rack of American lamb, and you know, when you go to the butcher or if you go to the grocery store, ask them to kind of trim the fat cap. The fat cap is this little layer of fat over the top, and you don't want to lose that because that's like a little self-basting action. So I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of black pepper into a warm pan. You can see it's smoking. So I'm gonna take a couple cloves of garlic in this black pepper, a couple pinches of salt, and pecorino. And if you know pecorino, it is a sheep's milk cheese, so you know it's gonna pair perfect with lamb. We're gonna add fresh parsley. Use your hands and just kind of scrunch it. And we're just gonna take this mixture, massage this crust in. This is a French rack of lamb, right? French means that they kind of took out the little tendons here and the little extra skin that's connecting these little bones. At this point, you can let it sit out for about an hour, and it's just gonna kind of soak up all that cheese, that black pepper, the garlic. 450 degrees, 15 minutes on this side, and then we'll flip it. So we're gonna make a crunchy, kind of lemony fennel salad. I'm just gonna cut this puppy in half, right? So I'm gonna grab a nice big bowl, and I'm just gonna zest the lemon into the bowl. We're gonna make a really quick dressing. Then cut this lemon in half, a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna chop up the rest of that parsley. And I'm just gonna kind of stack my fennel on top of it. Look at this. Is that like a celebration? That is just unbelievable. The smell is incredible. We took this out at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. We temped it, and then we rested it, so it took it all the way to about 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So at this point, it's had a nice little nap, and it's still warm. There's no need to tent it. I know a lot of people like to put tinfoil over the top. Don't worry about that. So when you find it, you kind of want to adjust your knife around the joint and then just kind of cut through. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. And just get in there with your hands and scrunch it all up. Grab a nice handful of this fennel salad and just stack it. Then you just grab a couple of these lamb just to top the whole thing off and just reinforce the whole Cacio e Pepe thing. I come back to my pecorino cheese. Just little shards of pecorino over the top. Cacio e Pepe, rack of lamb.